increase your Chrome download speed. So in this video tutorial, if your Chrome download speed if your Chrome download speed is slow, then you can increase this by following this method. So I'm going to show you the server method that you can easily increase your the Chrome download speed. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser first. Okay, so I am on my Chrome. So first method, you have to check whether your Chrome browser up to date or not. How you can check it? Just click on this 3 letter dot right corner, upper right corner, and go to the help. Go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can see if your Chrome browser up to date or not. If it is not up to date, it will be start updating automatically. Then you will see the option button here. After update, you will see the option here to relaunch the Chrome. Then you have to just hit this button, then your Chrome will be reopened. Okay, the second step you have to follow that. Just click on 3 dot option, go to the settings. Under the setting, we need to go in reset and clean up. Okay, so here you can restore the setting to their original default. Okay, it won't affect your bookmark history and save password. Okay, it is only reset your Chrome setting, Chrome shortcuts. It will be disable extension, you can enable again, and it will be delete cookies and other temporary site. It won't affect your bookmarks history and save password. So you can reset the setting. After you reset setting, you can find out any harmful software on your computer. So you just come here, second option, and just find out the harmful software, if there is any harmful software in your computer. After scan, you will see after scan, if there is any software that will be harmful, then it will be show here. Then you have to go in control panel and remove from their computer. Okay, so second step method you can follow, like just go to the okay, so go to the systems. Under the system, you can see the option called continue running background app when your Google Chrome is closed. Okay, so when you close the Google Chrome, the background data or app will be continue running, so you can off it to speed up your download speed. Okay, just off it. Okay, so second method is you can go to the flag setting. So just come to the search bar here under the settings and select the settings, and just select the whatever you have the after this forward slash, and delete it and type here flags. So this flag setting will be come here, just click on it, then flag setting will be open, and search here downloading. So here you can see the parallel downloading option, and it is enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Okay, it is only work on Chrome OS, Android, Fancy, and whatever. So you need to just enable it. Just click on this option and click enable and relaunch your Chrome browser. Okay, just enable it. Okay, I don't want to enable, I just make it default. And now we need to clear some DNS caches from your computer. So just come to the search bar and type the run. Okay, type the cmd and open the command prompt, and here you need to clear the DNS caches. So there is some command, it's ipconfig space / and flush DNS. You have to just hit this command here, just type this command here and just hit the enter. So you can see my window configuration successful flushed the DNS caches. And another command you can use for NetSH WinShock reset. You can see, I can zoom if you want. You can see the both command, this command and now this command. Okay, you can note down on your notebook. Okay, so I just zoom out. Okay, you can see the both command here. And now just hit the enter. You can see this request operation require the elevator run the administrator. Okay, you need to okay, so let me okay, enter the cmd and then right click on it and run as an administrator. Then it will be prompt you the give the permission, just click on yes. Now you can use the second command and just hit the enter. You can see successfully reset the Winshock catalog, it must be restart your computer in order to complete the reset. Just reset your computer, just restart your computer to apply these changes. Okay, so the another method, or you can say process, you can follow. So guys, this is the last method. You can go to the run, open the run app and type here ncpa dot cpl. Okay, then you need, okay, ncpa cpl. Okay, or you can directly open this network. Okay, the same window will be open, and go to the change adapter option. Now this window will be open. Just right click on it, go to the property, and here you need to select the internet protocol version. Okay, and go to the property here. Now you have to use the manual DNS, and here you can use the DNS like 8 and then 4 and just click on OK. Then you can restart your computer. This is last step. Okay, so just click on OK. After OK, just restart your computer and see if your Chrome browser download link speed increase or not. So plus any other okay, so there is another other plus option in Chrome, which is you can clear your caches from here. Okay, this is last method you can use. Go to the history, here, go to the clear browsing data, and from here you can select the all time and clear browsing history, caches. Okay, go to the basic, clear only cookies and other side and caches. If you want to clear history, then you have to select the all time and clear data. Okay, and also check the any extension, unknown extension, or you don't recognize the extension. If you find any unrecognized extension here, just if it is enabled, just disable it and remove from here. Okay, so that is how you can speed up your Chrome's download speed. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.